In this video, I will show you how you can get paid $55 every 7 minutes in free PayPal money. So in this day and age, we actually spend a lot of time on our phones, and receiving the same old notifications on your phone can actually become quite boring. But what if I told you that you could actually get more exciting notifications like payment notifications that you have received money in your PayPal account? And even more amazing, what if I told you that you could receive these notifications multiple times a day? So just imagine for a second receiving notifications informing you that you have received free PayPal money, and think how incredible this could be if you were to receive these notifications over and over again. So this is a brand new strategy to make money online, and it's actually super easy to do. But there are a few important steps that you do need to do just to ensure that you do get paid and don't miss out on any money. So make sure to stick around until the end of the video and do pay careful attention to every step to ensure that you do get paid correctly. So all it takes is just a few clicks and you can be earning well over $50 with this new money making strategy. This method is actually 100% legitimate, super effective, and the best part is that this is absolutely free. So what I'm going to do today is show you some new apps and teach you how to earn money with these apps. And it's as simple as downloading the app, signing up for free, and after that you can earn some really good money. And you can actually use this method to generate some really good money online. And also, I just want to mention that this opportunity is available worldwide. So no matter where you are in the world, you will be able to use this amazing method to make a lot of money online. So remember to pay attention carefully and don't skip ahead through the video, as I will be showing you today step by step how to do this, and I do not want you to miss any important steps that could prevent you from getting paid correctly. So with that being said, let's jump straight in and learn how to make money and get those payment notifications over and over again with this exciting new strategy. So the first thing you will need to do is actually visit a website which is called instagc.com. So you can also visit this website on a laptop or PC, and what you need to do is simply open this on your phone browser or your laptop and PC, and then you can earn money very easily. So one of the great things about this website is it does work on both Android or iOS, and as mentioned you can also do this on a laptop or PC. So there's actually a number of choices available for you to use this website. So the website itself actually looks like this, and I just want to mention that one of the great things about this website is they have a ton of payment proofs which actually show the legitimacy and the fullness of this website. So if you actually take a look down in the bottom right hand corner, you will see a button you can click which says redemption proof. And if you actually go ahead and click this, you will be taken to their official Facebook page, where you will be able to see hundreds of reviews shared from other people all across the world. And more importantly, you can see that there are lots and lots of payment proofs that have been put onto this website by users worldwide. So this is proof that this method is totally legitimate and will pay out. And if we take a closer look, you can see, for example, that this person has earned this amount of money, and there's another one here, and another one, and so on and so forth. I also just want to mention that another great thing about this first website is that there are actually various payment methods that you can get paid through. So you can get paid through things like PayPal or bank transfer, or any of the other payment methods that are available through this website. And if you want, you can check this out yourself, so you can see the payment proofs yourself, which can alleviate any doubts that you may have about this website. So now let's go back to the website, and the name InstaGC actually stands for Instant Gift Card. So from this name, you can tell that you will be rewarded with gift cards instantly for any online activities that you do complete online. And there's actually a number of different online activities available, which are actually super simple to do, and they can range from things like completing surveys to shopping online and searching the web. Now the method I personally prefer to use is to watch videos, as this method actually requires the least amount of effort to do, and it's actually the easiest to do of all the tasks. And another great thing about earning money online through watching videos is that it's actually super simple, because a secret tip I'm actually going to give you is that you can literally open the video and just leave it playing. There's no need to actually watch a video. So what you can do is actually just leave your chosen device playing the videos, and you can do what you want and still get paid. How awesome is that? Now what I would like to say is that even though watching videos is the easiest of the tasks, to be honest, all the other methods are just so easy that you really don't need to put a lot of effort into any of them, and things like searching the web or completing surveys. And I've actually got another bonus tip as well, which can actually increase your earnings, and that's to actually use your time effectively to do all the tasks all at the same time. So you might be thinking to yourself, how can you actually do this? And it's actually very simple. All you need to do is open the website on a device, like your phone for example, and start watching videos. Then whilst you've got the videos playing, you could go onto your laptop or PC, or you could even use another mobile device, and you can start doing the other tasks. So for example, things like searching the web, and of course you've got your phone automatically playing videos. And whilst you're doing all this, you are getting paid. So this is actually a great little secret tip that I would highly recommend doing to increase your earnings. And the sign up process is very easy to do. What you want to do is just come across to instagc.com, or alternatively you can always just Google instagc, and then once you're on the website you just want to go ahead and fill in your details to register. So you can also do a faster registration by signing up with your Facebook, Twitter or Google account. And with that being said, I'm just going to move on to the next website that we're going to be talking about today, and the next website is actually called AppKarma. So what you want to do is come across to the website called appkarma.io, and again this website can be accessed from any device that you have or you prefer, and it is compatible with both iOS and Android devices. So again, AppKarma is actually another easy and free way to make money online, and it's actually got some really fun methods and ways to make money online. So with this website, to actually earn money, what you're going to be doing is playing games, which is pretty awesome, right? So what happens is you actually earn points for playing games, and 100 points equals $1. And take a look at this, you can actually earn 300 points straight away just simply for downloading the app. I mean, that's got to be the easiest $3 you've ever made in your life. And similar to InstaGC, this website actually offers PayPal as a payment method, or you can earn gift cards for your work. And it's actually another way to make even more money with this app, and that is by referring others to come in and join you in the app. And to do this, it's very simple. All you need to do is copy your invite link, and you just want to go ahead and share it to as many people as you can, along with your referral code. So after you have done that, each person that successfully joins AppKarma is going to give you a huge 30% commission on any earnings that you've made. So this really is a super simple and easy way to make some extra money. I mean, think about this, if one person you refer makes $100, you will instantly make $30 without doing anything, and it's as easy as that. I mean, who wouldn't want to earn money without doing anything time consuming or difficult? So I would highly recommend checking out this app, as it is a very great way to make money online. And a bonus tip for this website is to use the app every day, because you do get daily rewards for playing with apps you've installed on AppKarma. All you need to do is simply keep the apps that you were originally rewarded for, and then every day you play it, you actually earn extra bonuses. Oh, and also I almost forgot to mention that every time you accomplish a task successfully, you're actually going to earn several various badges that will aid in the continuous development of your account by leveling up again and again. And with more badges, you can actually earn more money because the level of your rewards increases as well. So you can see how amazing this app is, as this really is a super simple and fun way to make money online without much effort or time investment involved. So if you guys are liking this video and you're finding the methods in this video helpful in helping you to make money online, then be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy ways to make money online. Also feel free to leave a comment below about what you liked on this video. We always look forward to hearing your thoughts. So now let's get back to the video and learn about the third website, which is actually called Cashkick. So you can actually get paid through PayPal and bank transfer, among many other methods. So with Cashkick, they believe that cash is the greatest reward, and we 100% agree with them on that. And to earn money on this website, you can do simple tasks like answering surveys, finding great deals, watching videos, as well as just surfing the web. So again, as you can see, these methods are actually super simple. And if you actually think about it, we actually all do these on a daily basis. We all watch videos in our free time, as well as surfing the web. So you might as well get paid to do so. Now the sign up process for this is also very easy. All you have to do is enter your email address and password, and to complete your registration you're just going to simply click the purple button down here that says get started now, and you're ready for this money making journey. So everything is literally so easy, and you can do this as many times as you want and with as many apps as you want to make your income opportunities endless. I mean, the sky is quite literally the limit. So I just want to take this moment to thank you for watching, and if you did enjoy this video today, I would highly recommend checking out my video here, which actually enables you to earn money online just by simply typing names. And with that being said, I will see you in the next one.